Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about the impact of tourism on Balinese culture. Bali is known worldwide for its beautiful art and rituals. But now those tourism influence these culture values. Let's dive into this interesting discussion. Okay, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ikada Bagus Prayudadinata. You can call me Degus. As host for today, I am my absent number is 5 from F23 class. And then we have three amazing speakers. The first speaker is Satya. The second speaker is Hari.
Hello.
The third speaker is Chokwin. Okay, that was the quest introduced. Without further ado, let's go to the first question. Okay, guys, I have a question for you. The question is, in your opinion, how has the tourism influenced Balinese culture from its early development until now? From Satya.
Okay, my opinion, tourists come to Bali very helpful to Balinese people that work in the tourism and introduce Balinese culture abroad indirectly.
Okay, I ask you again. Could you explain in more detail what tourism sector help introduce Bali abroad?
Okay, the first that is a tourism sector. For example, tour guide, travel agent, and secondly, there is creator sector, creator and media sector. For example, content creator.
Okay, thank you, Satya. How about you, Ari?
Okay. In my opinion, tourism has changed Balinese culture from the past until now. At first, Balinese people live traditionally, but now many things are influenced by tourists.
Okay, thank you, Ari. I ask for you again. Can you name the change that influenced by the arrival of tourism?
The arrival of tourists has changed Balinese culture. Balinese traditions are now well known. Young people adopt modern lifestyle, and tourism provides jobs for local people.
Okay, so good opinion. And then Chokwin, how about you?
In my opinion, Balinese local has been since Asian times. Sometimes with stunning natural beauty and rich culture. Today is tourists in Bali continues to drift with rich culture contributing to booming economy.
Okay, Chokwin. I ask for you again. Can you mention what kind of local culture and increase Bali tourism economy?
Yes, local culture, traditional, importing place, importing play, traditional dance, ceremony, craft, traditional clothing, uh, Queen's traditional art track to supporting local economy.
Okay, thank you so much with so good opinion. And then next question for Satya. Again, in your opinion, what impact do tourism coming to Bali have on Balinese culture?
Okay, has positive impact, especially in economic sector, because people that work in the tourism have sustained from tourism. Yeah, that work people that work in the tourism.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay, I can ask you again? Is the tourism sector in main sector of livelihood in Bali?
Oh yeah, the tourism sector is one of main source of livelihood because many people that work in the tourism.
Okay, Thank you, Satya. How about you, Ari?
Okay. Tourism has positive and negative impacts on Bali. Balinese dance and tradition become famous, and tourism helps the economy and gives jobs to local people. However, some traditions are so only for money, and some young people begin to forget their culture because they follow modern lifestyle from tourists.
Okay, thank you so much, Hari. I can ask for you again, how to balance growth from tourism and the perception of Bali in the Guinea's folk culture.
Okay, tourism should tourism should help the economy without destroying Balinese culture. Balinese people must protect their tradition even with many tourists coming. Tourism should keep culture alive, not change it for many.
Okay, thank you so much, Hari. How about you, Joey?
Yes, I am in my view the negative impacts of tourists come to Bali include increased tariff, congestion, waste, and environmental population, and as well change in local culture include by tourist lifestyle.
Okay, thank you so much, Joey. And then I ask you again. Okay, the question is, what are the most effective steps to reduce environmental pollution, such as plastic waste and air pollution, resulting from the massive development of tourism investment in Bali?
Effort to reduce environmental pollution from tourism in Bali can be done by reducing single usage plastic, improving waste management, and using eco-friendly transportation. Education and development control are also important to protect the environment.
Okay, your opinion so good. And then I have a last question. Yeah, yes. The last question for Satya.
Okay.
What message do you have for the future of Balinese culture and means the number of tourist visit?
My message to Balinese people is that in the midst of the money tourist visit, the Balinese people must maintain and preserve Balinese culture, at least the culture of the tourists will come.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Satya.
Okay.
How about you, Hari?
Okay. My hope for the future is that Balinese people can protect their culture even with many tourists coming. Tourists should not destroy but have to keep it alive.
Okay, thank you so much, Hari. And then the last answer is Chokwi. How about you, Chokwi?
What are the most effective
Chokwi, how about you, Chokwi?
efforts to reduce environmental pollution from tourists in Bali can be done by reducing single-use plastic, improving waste management, and using eco-friendly transportation. Education and development control also important to protect the environment.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for coming today. And then you can you answer for my ask. Thank you for today. And then thank you for attention for the podcast today. And then I close the say goodbye. Bye.